Hi everybody. I'm not good with video. So first of all, I'd like to apologize for if I end up having to put this down and you end up getting a video of a chair. I am unboxing two pigeons from Frank Mclaughlin. And this is my craft room, but it's also my quarantine room for new arrivals. So we're just going to put these down here so you can see as I get these guys into their very temporary home. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hi. Oh, yes. You're quite bold. This is 1246. And I hope you can see him. He is, I'm assuming a he. I'm horrible at telling the difference. But we're going to just put him in here for right this minute. Yes, I know. You're in a craft room. It's a very strange place. And then we're getting out this other one. Just want to make sure that they've come through the mail without any harm. Oh my God, these birds are gorgeous. I hope you can see her. I think this is a her. She is absolutely stunning, and her feathers feel magnificent. And she is 1147. Yes, and of course he can see the windows, so he wants to go out. Here you go. This is just a chance to calm down after being in a box. Yes, I know. I swear I will get you into the actual loft in just a minute because you're obviously in fine shape. So let me log these guys into my loft system. By the way, I learned the hard way that if I just take a bird and put them into the loft and then hope that I've got their number correct, that I'm wrong. I'm always wrong. I do not have their number correct, and therefore I will end up having to try to catch the right bird. So we're going to get these guys logged in. By the way, they arrived in fantastic shape. These are awesome birds. Their feathers feel like that kind of powdery, satiny feel that a really good bird has. They are both very pretty blue bars. And I see she has some eyeliner and some white flights. So we're going to leave them to settle down, and then I swear I'll put you in a loft in a minute.